Welcome to my vlog, and for this video I will be reviewing the film called Unfriended Dark Web. And the director for the Unfriended Dark Web is Stephen Sosko. And the main characters were Matthias O'Brien, Nari Jemisin, Serena Lange, Damon Horton, Alistair Jeffcock, Amaya De Soto, and Lex Putri. Unfriended Dark Webs follows Matthias, a young man who finds a laptop in a lost and found box and decides to keep it. While using it during a group video chat with his friends, they begin discovering disturbing hidden files connected to the dark web, including videos related to kidnapping and torture. Soon, the laptop's real owner, a member of a deadly online criminal organization, contacts them. One by one, the group becomes targeted by these anonymous hackers, who manipulate their devices, expose their secrets, and force them into terrifying situations. As the night unfolds, Matthias and his friends realize that everything is being watched, controlled, and orchestrated, and escaping the dark web's reach may be impossible. So, in this film, are there any ICT trends in this film? I will say yes. And it will be cybersecurity threats and hacking because of the increasing cases of hacking, surveillance, and data breaches. Because on the film, the hacker takes control of the stolen laptop and manipulates webcams, social media, chats, and even real-life devices. This highlights how vulnerable people are to remote digital attacks. In the unfriended dark web, the hackers enters Matcha's laptop, control webcams, reads private messages, and manipulates social media. This reflects the real-world trend where cyber attacks are increasing because people rely heavily on the internet, cloud storage, and online communication platforms. The film demonstrates that anyone with weak security can easily become a victim. So, are there any internet threats? Yes, and it is dark web exploitation. It is a criminal activity hidden in anonymous networks. It appears in the film by the laptop contains files showing kidnapping and torture services offered on the dark web. This reflects real risks like illegal marketplace and violent content being sold online. So what are the lessons from this film? I think it will be technology can both help and harm because even helpful tools like video calls and messaging apps can be used to attack people. So it will be lesson that we use technology responsibly and always stay aware of the risk. Another one which is be careful with what you share online because everything you post or send can be used against you. The lesson will be think twice before sharing personal information, photos or secrets on social media. And that's all for my video. Thank you.